from Kano.
Okay.
Yes.
In the factory.
But the source of the shoe
is from Kano.
Is from Kano.
So
it's a hide from a
Kano.
This one is white man's hair.
White man's hair. Okay, so now wait, let's finish it.
Yes.
So you now agree with me that the hair that these African ladies are putting on their head are completely African.
No, because it's an extension.
Of what hair?
But you have not
where do they get the hair from?
No, you have not checked whether it's their hair or not.
So when you want a revolution, there must be no exception.
No, I don't have a disagreement with you.
Yes.
That people should
let
not,
us go
not wear fake
to
hair.
know the only African man that I love.
The problem I have is an African man who is happy to
No.
You know the reason the wig was invented for lawyers?
No.
It's a sign of wisdom of a white man. Yes. They believe that anybody who has the white hair is white.
Okay, so and there are white, foolish white hair in Africa.
So what happens to our own hair?
You are talking the same thing.
So why don't you come here? If you have to put an attire on your head, let it be an African attire. Because the Oba of Benin with the terracotta is a white man. The Ode of Ife is a, so wear something.
What about attire gala?
Of course, that's what I'm saying. I would be happy to see you with that colorful gala as a lawyer.
If I wear that one,
that the judge can wear whatever he wants to wear.
And come and see.
And come and see.
And speak what language?
Any language, that's another problem. We can speak our own language too.
Don't worry, no.
I was a taxi driver. I didn't go to primary school. I didn't go to secondary school. I sat at home to write. Formal school I went was School of Basic Studies, 1985 to 86, 87. Then University 87 to 90, 90 to 91, all over. So it was when I was doing mechanic in 1978.
Where was that? Yes.
You are not when I see here before now.